Most people think they know Wing Chun, but when pressure comes, everything collapses. Why? Because they never master the five basic hands. Without this, your Wing Chun is just movement, not skill. Today, I'm going to show you the five hand techniques you must master. Simple, powerful, and real. In Wing Chun, we don't rely on strength. We rely on structure, timing, and sensitivity. And everything begins with your hands. If your hands are wrong, your whole system breaks down. So today I will guide you step by step through the five essential hand techniques. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years, taught thousands of students worldwide, and represented the Yip Man Wing Chun since 1978. And I can tell you this clearly. The students who improve are the ones who master the basic. Let me show you. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. In Wing Chun, we always start from the Wing Chun stance. So feet together, both fists on the side of your chest. Wing Chun stance, knee relax. You just bounce up and down. Really? And then you feel that the knee relax. And now this is just center line. Turn south and the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making sure your middle fingers in line with your nose. That's where the center line is. And your body do not lean forward and back, left or right. Stay top to bottom in a straight line. Your spine is aligned. So this is the foundation. This is the stance and the foundation of Wing Chun. So the first one is Tan Sao. Elbow and palm about punch away from your body. Relax the shoulder. The purpose is to control the center line. The purpose is control the center line. Do not push and do not tense. Think of it like floating energy forward. So if your Tan Sao is wrong, your whole Wing Chun is unstable. So let's practice that. 1, relax. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next technique is Pak Sao. Short, sharp, and direct. So no big swing. Just a quick forward slap. The purpose is to clear the path and attack immediately. So Pak Sao and punch. See? Pak Sao and punch. So just short, sharp, and direct. So Pak Sao is not defense only, it's attack and control at the same time. So Pak Sao and punch. That's Wing Chun. Pak Sao and punch. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now notice everything happened in the center line, right? 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The third technique is Jum Sao. So chop down. It's called sinking hand. This hand goes downward with control. You don't go down like that. Just right in the center. Relax the elbow, sink, but don't push. The purpose is to break the opponent's structure and attack. So when someone press forward, you break the structure and then attack. You don't fight force with force. You sink and redirect. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then you punch, attack. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, the fourth technique is Bong Sao. So from Tan Sao, just lift your elbow up, Bong Sao. We call this an emergency hand, not a position. It's elbow up, wrist relaxed, no tension. So the purpose is to redirect the incoming force. So you block and redirect it. 1, 2. Now, when you do your Bong Sao, the mistake, do not hold it too long. The moment you feel, the moment you block the attack, the moment you block the punch, you turn and counter attack. It's only temporarily. So you change immediately to attack. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Move a bit, redirect the force and back face. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So when you do Bong Sao, it's only a temporarily block, instantly you turn, attack, redirection of the force. 1, 2, change immediately to attack. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. The fifth one is Huen Sao, or circling the hand. So you turn your wrist, 1, 2. 1, 2. So this is your recovery and transition hand. A small circle, elbow stay in, relax and smooth. So reset and regain the center line. So 1, 2. 1, 2. So the Huen Sao connects everything. Without it, your movement becomes stiff and broken. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, these 5 hand techniques are not separate techniques. They are one system. Tan Sao, Pak Sao, Jum Sao, Bong Sao, Huen Sao, they flow together. If you practice them individually only, you will never understand Wing Chun. But if you connect them together, your Wing Chun becomes alive. So don't try to learn 100 techniques. Master these 5, practice slowly, stay relaxed, focus on structure, and your Wing Chun will change completely. Train safely. This is for self-defense and personal development, not aggression. Control yourself first before controlling others. This is Wing Chun Wisdom. See you in the next lesson. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.